Ever wondered how the rich keep getting richer? It's not just luck, it's strategy. Today, we'll uncover the secrets behind how wealthy people manage their money and where they house it to grow, protect, and preserve their fortunes. By the end of this video, you'll walk away with actionable insights to level up your own financial game. Let's dive in. Number 1. Cash versus investment. Think keeping your money in cash is safe? Think again. The rich know that cash loses value every day thanks to inflation. So they've figured out the secret. Make your money work for you, paishando. Here's the game plan. Instead of sitting on cash, they build a diversified portfolio that grows their wealth over time. And where do they start? The stock market, of course. Wealthy individuals put their money into stocks, ETFs, and index funds, often focusing on blue-chip companies, those stable giants that deliver consistent long-term growth. And they don't go it alone. Many work with financial advisors to make sure every investment aligns with their goals. So, if you're ready to think like the rich, it's time to stop watching your cash lose value and start building your own portfolio. Number 2. Real estate. Ever wonder how the rich make real estate their secret weapon for building wealth? And it's not just about owning property, it's about turning it into a money-making machine. First, they invest in rental properties that bring in steady, passive income every single month. Picture this. Your tenants are not just paying rent, they're building your wealth for you. But that's not all. The wealthy also invest in commercial properties, luxury estates, and land. These aren't just cash cows, they're investments that grow in value over time. And here's the kicker. Real estate isn't just about income. It's also a tax advantage and a hedge against inflation. That means long-term growth and protection for their wealth. Number 3. Peer-to-peer lending. Did you know the rich are lending money but not through banks? They're turning peer-to-peer lending into a powerful way to grow their wealth. Here's how it works. They use peer-to-peer platforms to provide loans to individuals and small businesses, earning interest as borrowers repay. It's like becoming your own mini bank, except the returns are often way better than traditional savings accounts or bonds. But they don't stop there. The wealthy diversify their investments across multiple borrowers to minimize risk while enjoying steady passive income. It's a smart way to tap into alternative markets and keep their money working around the clock. Number 4. Cash and liquid assets. Here's a surprising fact about the rich. While they don't hoard cash, they always keep some of it liquid, ready to pounce on opportunities or handle emergencies. They're smart about it too. The rich park their cash in high-interest savings accounts and money market funds, letting it grow modestly while staying accessible when they need it. This strategy is all about balance. Having cash that works for you but is ready to move when the right investment comes knocking. Number 5. Tax-efficient vehicles. One of the biggest secrets to building wealth is not just about making money. It's about keeping more of what you earn. And the rich are absolute masters at this game. Here's how they do it. The wealthy use trusts to protect their assets and slash estate taxes. Think of it as a fortress for their wealth, ensuring it's passed down efficiently. They also max out retirement accounts like 401k or IRAs, taking full advantage of tax benefits while letting their money grow steadily. It's like having a tax-advantaged money machine. And for the boldest strategies, some house funds and offshore accounts, benefiting from favorable tax laws to keep even more of their earnings. Number 6. Private businesses. Here's the thing about the rich. They don't rely on just one source of income. They understand that entrepreneurship is the ultimate path to wealth creation. Many wealthy individuals own or invest in private businesses. Whether it's owning successful franchises, betting on the next big thing with startups, or building their own companies, they know the power of creating multiple revenue streams. Every business they touch becomes a new opportunity to grow their wealth and build financial freedom. Number 7. Alternative investments. Think the rich stick to just stocks and real estate? Think again. When it comes to building wealth, the wealthy turn to alternative investments for even greater diversification. Here's what they're investing in. Hedge funds for advanced strategies, rare art and collectibles for long-term value, luxury goods that appreciate over time, and precious metals like gold as a safeguard against inflation. These investments aren't just flashy, they're smart. They protect wealth from market ups and downs while adding unique value to their portfolios. Number 8. Foundations and philanthropy. Here's something you might not know about the rich. They don't just grow their wealth, they give back strategically. And they've found ways to make their generosity work for everyone involved. Many wealthy individuals create foundations to support causes they're passionate about, from education to healthcare. But here's the best part. They enjoy tax benefits while making a real difference. And it doesn't stop there. Through impact investing, they align their money with social or environmental good, funding projects that generate both financial returns and meaningful change. Giving back isn't just noble, it's smart. Number 9. Leveraging debt. Think all debt is bad? Think again. Here's a surprising secret. The wealthy use debt, but they do it in a way that builds wealth instead of destroying it. They take advantage of low-interest debt to fund high-return opportunities. This includes investing in private equity, scaling businesses, or snapping up undervalued assets with massive growth potential. It's all about leveraging borrowed money to boost their cash flow and amplify their wealth-building potential. Smart debt, big returns. That's the game they play. Number 10. People. Here's a truth that every successful company and savvy investor knows. People are the ultimate assets. Why? Because they're the driving force behind innovation, productivity, and growth. A talented workforce doesn't just get the job done, it gives companies the edge to adapt to market changes, create value, and crush the competition. It's the secret weapon behind every industry leader's success. And for investors, backing a company with strong leadership and a motivated team means greater profitability and long-term returns. People don't just create wealth, they multiply it. Number 11. Intellectual property. Did you know the rich don't just invest in tangible things, they invest in ideas? Intellectual property, or IP, is one of their most powerful wealth-building tools. Here's how they do it. By creating or acquiring patents, trademarks, or copyrights, the wealthy generate passive income through licensing fees or royalties. Imagine getting paid every time someone uses your invention, logo, or creative work. They invest in innovative ideas and brands with strong market potential, locking in long-term financial returns and securing a competitive edge. And here's the real kicker. Intellectual property isn't just a source of income. It's a powerful bargaining chip during mergers, acquisitions, or funding rounds. Number 12. Equipment. Have you ever thought about how the rich turn equipment into cash-making machines? It's not just about owning expensive tools. It's about making those tools work for them. The wealthy invest in equipment like cutting-edge machinery, advanced tech, or specialized tools to boost productivity in industries like manufacturing, construction, or agriculture. These assets don't just sit idle. They're out there generating revenue every day. Here's where it gets really interesting. They often lease or rent out high-value equipment to others, creating a steady stream of passive income without lifting a finger. Imagine owning a fleet of excavators or high-tech drones and getting paid just for having them. But that's not all. They also invest in advanced, cost-efficient equipment that cuts down operational expenses and boosts profit margins. It's all about working smarter, not harder. So the next time you see heavy machinery or tech equipment in action, think about the wealth it's quietly building for someone. Could it be your next big investment opportunity? Number 13. Vehicles. Have you ever thought about how vehicles can make you money instead of costing you? The rich don't just see vehicles as a way to get from point A to point B. They see them as powerful investments. Here's how. They invest in specialized vehicles like delivery trucks that drive their businesses forward, luxury cars they rent out for premium events, or even rare classic cars that grow in value over time. These vehicles aren't liabilities, they're money-making machines. And it gets better. Many of these vehicles come with tax benefits or business write-offs, meaning they're not only contributing to profits but also cutting down costs. That's a win-win, right? Number 14. Education. You may have asked this question over and over. Why the rich keep getting richer? One of their secret weapons is how they approach education, not just as a phase in life, but as an investment with incredible returns. The wealthy don't just stop at traditional degrees. They dive into specialized courses, certifications, and advanced programs that directly boost their skills and earning potential. From mastering financial literacy to staying ahead with cutting-edge tech knowledge, they focus on education that pays off big. But here's the real game changer. The rich see education as a lifelong process. Whether it's learning from mentors, attending high-level networking events, or investing in personal development, they're always finding ways to stay ahead of the curve. Number 15. Relationships. Did you know that for the rich, relationships aren't just personal, they're profitable? They've mastered the art of networking and turned connections into cash-generating opportunities. Here's how they do it. The rich surround themselves with like-minded individuals, mentors, and industry leaders who provide opportunities, insider knowledge, and collaborations that lead to massive growth. These relationships aren't just casual, they're strategic. And here's the secret sauce. They give value first. Whether it's sharing resources, offering guidance, or opening doors for others, they create connections built on trust and mutual benefit. That's how relationships become one of the most powerful investments in their wealth-building arsenal. For the rich, money is a tool. They focus on growth, adapt to changes, and invest with a long-term perspective. They delay gratification, seek knowledge continuously, and prepare for opportunities before they arise. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. And if you've made it this far into the video, here's something important to take with you. You might be wondering, these ideas sound great, but how do I acquire those assets? The good news is, you already possess one invaluable asset: time. No matter your industry, position, or social status, you exchange time for money. While earning more for your time is always a plus, remember this golden rule that all successful entrepreneurs live by. It's not about how much you make, it's about how much you save. The ideas outlined in this video can be achieved step by step, and we'll dive deeper into them in upcoming videos. So use your time strategically. It's your most powerful leverage. Whether you choose to buy time or compress time, the way you use it will shape your path to success. Start thinking and acting like the rich, because your financial success begins with your mindset, and always stay hungry. If you found value in this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Money Talks, and let's continue this journey together. See you in the next video.